Hello everyone, I am Sirisha from First MBBS. Today I am going to show you the cardiopulmonary resuscitation, usually abbreviated as CPR. CPR is a technique for basic life support usually given in acute medical emergency like cardiopulmonary arrest. It should be given until and unless the medical treatment arrives or restoration of the normal cardiopulmonary function. Before proceeding into the process, there are a few instructions to be followed. It should be performed only by the well-trained and an experienced person. Before proceeding, make sure that the surrounding is safe for you to respond to the patient down and lie the patient on a stiff, flat surface. In CPR, we usually follow the acronym DOCTORS CABD. D for danger, R for response, S for shout for help, and C for circulation, A for airway, B for breathing, and D for defibrillation. Assess the responsiveness of the patient by gently shaking the shoulders of the subject. Are you okay? Are you okay? Look at the chest and torso movements and normal breathing. If unresponsive, first call the emergency response team and switch on the loudspeaker. And check for the patient for carotid pulse for 5 to 10 seconds. If the patient has no pulse, provide 10 rescue breaths per minute. Recheck pulse every 2 minutes. If the patient doesn't have a pulse, begin 5 cycles of PCR. Start with the chest compressions. Provide 100 to 120 compressions per minute. This is 30 compressions every 15 to 18 seconds. Place your palms midline over the between the nipples firmly. Lock your arms and press to the depth of 5 to 6 centimeters. Press hard and fast. If in one cycle of adult CPR is 30 compressions to 2 rescue breaths, 1 rescue breath per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Check for the chest expansion. Allow time for the air to expel from the patient. In cervical spine injury, we'll perform chin lift maneuver. To extend the neck, place the palm of one hand on the patient's forehead and apply the pressure firmly to tilt the head backwards. And at the same time, place the palm of the other hand under the chin to support the head. This raises the tongues away from the spine and opens the airway. In unwitnessed collapse like drowning or trauma, use the jaw thrust maneuver. Place your finger on the lower ramming of the jaw. Provide anterior pressure to advance the jaw forward. And breathing, scan the patient's chest and torso for movement. If the patient is breathing inadequately or not adequately, with pulse, commence rescue breaths immediately, and if without pulse, begin PCR from circulation again.